Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 VW Golf Match. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 56 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 18,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic reflex silver and looks in great condition and fair mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. Just below that, you've got your air conditioning. This car also has automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control just there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Onto the driver's door, you've got your electric folding mirror switch there at the top, and just below that your 4 window controls. Being the 5-door version, the Golf's nice and practical, so good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre as well. And it's good to see the car's got the carpet floor mats from VW as well. As we open the tailgate on the Golf, you've got a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but can increase that if you wish. And just below that, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.